we're going to explain how to write a great cover letter for English-speaking companies. This is you. You want to apply for a position at the company of your dreams. You have to write a cover letter or letter of application and wonder how this is done in English-speaking countries. To make your cover letter stand out, you have to make first impressions count. Your letter of application should introduce you, show your personality, your skills, and your enthusiasm. Studies have shown that managers hire people that fit the company culture best. The content should provide 2 or 3 solid examples of your skills and experience. But watch your English tenses. Use simple past for events finished in the past and saying when exactly. For example, I completed an internship 2 years ago. Use present perfect for events that started in the past but have not finished yet or are still important for the present. For example, I have completed a degree in media and am now looking for a job in this field. Also, be sure not to undersell yourself, but also not to oversell. Be honest. Phrases like, I've never worked in advertising, but show them what you haven't done. Rather, say what you have done and how it applies to this job. HR managers read hundreds of applications every day. General, unspecific phrases that don't include the company impress no one. Rather, include specific facts about the company and your skills by saying, for example, the business fields of Dream Incorporated are a great chance to develop my previous experience in strategic management. To make your cover letter more effective, be as accurate as possible. Vague and tired claims like, I have excellent interpersonal skills, may make the HR manager fall asleep too. Use action verbs. Make yourself sound dynamic. What are these? Action verbs directly show off your skills and experience. Good examples could be I implemented, I prioritized, I streamlined, to name a few. These words will again help you avoid too long and unnecessary phrases. Ensure the letter is not longer than 1 page, so make every word count. Phrases like, as you can see from my CV, are unnecessary. If there's enough time left, proofread it the next day if you can. Lastly, don't forget to check your letter for mistakes and make sure the layout is clean. So, there you have it. When keeping these points in mind, you will change your cover letter from boring and vague to sounding great and up to the point in a heartbeat. So don't waste time. Think of your dream company and start writing your personal cover letter now.